Hi there and good morning. I'm meteorologist Leslie Lopez, and we have an extensive marine layer this morning. It is pushing up against some of our coastal foothill communities and the slopes there. 56 degrees out in Malibu, and this is what it looks like underneath the clouds. We are seeing overcast skies this morning. Over into Van Nuys, about 51 degrees. We are looking at that marine layer to really stick around the coastline for most of this morning, inland as well. But by the time we start this clock into the afternoon, you're starting to see that dissipate, and then it resolves right out towards the Pacific. But I do think that we're going to see a little bit of that cloud coverage hanging out through Ventura, over into areas of Malibu, and then hooking around into Rancho Palos Verdes. And then it stays a little bit stubborn if you're heading a little southbound towards areas of San Clemente and then into San Diego. So we'll get some breaks from the clouds today. We'll get mostly sunny skies by the afternoon. High pressure is a dominating feature. This is a little bit different. This high pressure center is a subtropical one, so it doesn't provide us with those offshore Santa Ana winds. It does give us some offshore winds. It'll clear out our skies, but just not a very strong one. Now, because of the subtropical moisture that we're seeing here, you're going to start to see a plume of moisture develop here for the next couple of days. And by the time we're heading into Saturday, it combines with a low pressure center coming from the north, and it means really heavy rainfall for areas of Northern California, Central California, Sierra snowfall. But you can tell once it gets down to Southern California, it really starts to taper off. So I don't think we're going to get much in the way of rain, maybe a 1/10 of an inch to a 1/3 of an inch of rain for Los Angeles. But once you head into Orange County, it really looks like it's going to really start to become nothing. I mean, it really just dries out. So for Los Angeles and Orange County, 70 degrees, overnight lows into the 50s. And then we'll see those 70s through about Friday with mostly cloudy skies today. Saturday, 68 degrees with, again, a 1/10 of an inch of rain possibly. And then on Sunday, we clear out. We're back to warmer weather and beautiful temperatures. Valley's Inland Empire, 75 and beautiful today. Gorgeous tomorrow. Still looking at the upper 70s all the way through about Friday, even as the clouds build in. And then by the time we're heading into Saturday, some of the foothill communities could get as much as a 1/4 of an inch of rain, but we'll probably see a bit less than that if you are a little farther south. Beach communities, 64, overnight lows into the 50s, and we're also going to see upper 60s Wednesday and Thursday. And for the mountain areas, 60 degrees. We do have some rain, but as far as snow is concerned, this isn't a snowmaker for our local mountains, but it is a snowmaker for the Sierras, which is great news. We need more of that snowpack. And if you are traveling over into the high desert spots, 78 degrees, 81 on Wednesday. We'll keep those upper 70s rolling on through about Friday.